I had a no start condition on the tractor. I had to jump start it. So you can see here I'm at 11.44 volts. If I turn on the headlights, we drop down to 963. Battery just doesn't have capacity anymore, so that explains the no start. When looking for a replacement battery, go by the group size and the cold cranking amps. So in my case, I've looked for group size U1R and 230 cold cranking amps to replace the original battery that came with the tractor. I've been using EverStart Lawn and Garden, which is the big blue box store. I've had good luck with these. They've lasted me at least 4 to 6 years, which is about on average for what a standard lead acid small vehicle automobile type of battery will last. So that's what I recommend as a battery brand. Leave a comment if you've had a brand that has worked really well for you, or if you've got a brand that has not lived up to its promises. Be good to share that information so that people can make an informed decision when they're going to purchase a new battery. Alright, got the new battery, traded the old one in to get the cord charge back. It's recycling. And this has been sitting on the tender for a few hours just to get it up at least above 80% charge, which it is at this point because the light is blinking. So, gonna throw it in the tractor and get to mowing. Alright, moment of truth, mid throttle, give it some choke, make sure blades are off, press brake. Alright, another quick video. Hopefully this taught you a few things about the tractor batteries, how to diagnose them, and how to replace them, what to look for. As always, leave a comment if you've got a suggestion, something better to do, or as I said before, recommendation on brands that you either do recommend or recommend staying away from. And until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you later.